You can turn your Google Drive shared link into a one-click download link and manage all the links in one place. I will show you how to do that right in this video. I'm in my Google Drive folder, and then I want to go ahead and right click on this file and copy the link. So I click on copy link. Then I want to go straight to the extension I want to use for this purpose. The extension is available on the Chrome Web Store. So I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. So when you install the extension, you will be able to generate direct download link for your Google Drive file. So let's go ahead and open the extension. Then I paste the link right here. Immediately I paste the link, the extension will check the status of the link. This link is available for public view. Then I can go ahead and click on generate link. If the link is not available for the public, you will see the status as restricted file. Then you can go ahead and update the status to public. Now I can go ahead and click on generate link. The link has been generated, and if I click on this download all file, the file will be downloaded automatically. But let's go ahead and look at the history right here. On the history, I'll be able to see all the download link I have generated. So I can go ahead and click on the pen icon to update the name, and by doing that I will be able to remember that particular file. I can put demo video, then I go ahead and save it. So if I want to copy the link, I can just go ahead and click on copy. Then if I go to another browser, let's use Microsoft Edge. So now I've opened the browser, I can paste the link right here and click on download. Then you will see what will happen. The file has been downloaded automatically, and that is what you are seeing right here. So with this, when you share the link with people, they just click on it and then the file will be downloaded automatically, and it is compatible with all the files available in your Google Drive account. We are adding more features and we'll be releasing it very soon, so you can go ahead and install the extension. Currently we have 295 users as at the time of recording this video. So if you go ahead and install it now, you can start generating your link and then manage everything in one place. So that is what I have for you right in this video. Go ahead and download the extension and start using it for your Google Drive files. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.